Oh, hello, Venus. What are you doing? It's late. Natulog pa ka. You want some watermelon? I got some watermelon. Hmm? Come on. You're sleepy. Good morning. Afternoon di ay. Yatimgan pa ka. Arte. Okay, here. What do you want? Here. You want this? Oh, sige. Tawag na yan. You wanna stay behind me? Oh. Aloha world, this is Pineapple Princess and Donya over here. Huy, huy. Donya, say hi, B. Say hi. Nagaon ta og pakwan. Sige, tulog lang. Bisag alas 12 na. You don't want to go running? Arte. Ipamaulan ko world. Pamaulan ko sa akong garden gahapon. Or, yesterday. Oh, you're not going to sleep now? Mulaon. She is an under the covers dog. Minahan siya ani. Oh, there you go. Tawa ng taan eh. Maglimpyo ko sa sahog karong taod-taod. Kumusta na mo? Kami diri okay ra. Init kaayo sa gawas, mura kag maluto lagi. Gahapon kuan ko sa lawn sa front, perting paigaw. Pero mauni gusto na ko. World ka ng tan bitaw ingon ani. Mahal kaayong patan diri sa gawas. There are actually places where you go in, it's called tanning salons, and sign up ka na anya kanang they have a machine that looks like this. It rotates around your body and then you just go like this or like this and it sprays all over you with some kind of tanning oil. It's strange. So everyone here, I guess it's because they're all, light skinned. Everyone here wants tan. And I don't blame them because our body all needs vitamin D. And without this, deficient kasagaran sa mga puti, deficient o kuan kanang vitamin D, especially those katong mga puti nga fake, no, katong nagamit og mga whitening lotions, whitening soaps, and whatnot, kay mahadlok man na sila mo gawas good sa init. So please take vitamin D supplements, you know, kanang mga capsules, or I don't know how they come in the Philippines, but make sure you take those if you know you're doing that to your skin, whitening and whatever you're taking to make yourself look white. Do whatever makes you happy, but you know your body is your temple. When you remove everything on top of your skin, you're left with nothing, so you're prone to infection, sickness, and you know everything else, viruses, kay sayon ra sudlon imong lawas. Anyhow, magyaw-yaw si Lola, mga unta og pakwan. Mao ni akong paniud to. She's tired. I'm just tired, no, Mama. I'm tired. I hope everyone is fine over there. I've seen clips of what happened during the flood. I hope no one is affected in our family, and I pray that everyone who's affected nga dili lang sad unta kaayo kanang sabi ni saya man, that it's not very bad and it didn't hit you very bad, nga nagyapon magigaon nga kanang mga panginabuhi ninyo wa unta na affected ang inyong panginabuhi sa kada adlaw ninyong pangkonsumo. Wala na. Kami diri okay ra. The project, the work up there, up on the hill is ongoing. Unpacking here kay ibaligya na sad ni nako kaning balaya unya mo balhin ni ngadto. Kay hapit-hapit naman mahuman unya murag kinahanglan gyud nga closely nako monitor ang budget dito, ang ilang kaon, ang mga tao, kay we're gonna bring in more people, so it's getting there. Sige na lang pagbalhin-balhin na ni. Unya I don't know when I can come home. I'm thinking maybe next year, but right now I don't know yet. Nothing is set in stone yet. Kay, I mean, I can go anytime. Pero maluoy ko sa akong bana. Midaot gid siya pag uli na ako ba last month. Kanya maluoy sad ko ni Venus ag Ninja. Ninja, I think, is starting to say goodbye. I don't know for how long. He still eats a lot, but he's losing a lot of weight and he's old, so he's getting frail. So we'll see. We'll see. Ngaon. Pag-ayo-ayo mo din Happy Me World, anya anhin na lang kukutob kay doon ako usa ka load sa laundry, so ako pa nang isod sa machine, anya I'm gonna give Ninja some antibiotics and nag-cut his nails kay magkatagwang ang iring mga 15 years old, 20 years old, no? Kanang ang ilahang kamot pareha sa tao murag mo ana bitaw. Unya ang ilahang kuko kay mo curl sa diri. Unya kung di nimo kanang putlan pirmi kay matusok siya kay mo curl man ang iyahang kuan mo dako ang iyahang mga kuko. Unya mo ana na iyang kamot di mabuslat sad ang iyahang paws kay adto naman mo kuan ang kaning kuko musod na sa unod ba nga sa iyahang mga tiil o kamot. So I'm gonna cut his nails, give him a hot towel, bath. Yeah, kani si Venus kay ining mata ani kay it is time for her bath too. So it's gonna be a busy day. Not too hard. Later this afternoon I'm going to make some butter cookies. So I'll post it once it's done. Ayaw mo permi, ampo permi, give love permi, please be kind all the time. And remember what comes out of your mouth. Please be it all good, kind, and loving kay it bounces back and you want that in your life. All of it. It's very important. Okay, well, love you all. Aloha. Bye-bye. Say hi, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Venus. Nanulipat ka. Sige, tog lang ka. Bye, world.